Nitish Reddy dismisses Labuschagne, putting Australia on the back foot at 3 down, but disaster strikes as a star. Indian pacer walks off injured. Can India survive this blow? Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel, MKK The Daily Pulse, your one-stop destination for global updates. Let's dive into the action from day 2 of the third test between India and Australia at the Gabba. Rain played spoilsport on day 1, with only 13.2 overs bowled. The match resumed early on day 2 with Australia at 75 for 3. Jasprit Bumrah was on fire. He dismissed Usman Khawaja for 21, caught behind by Rishabh Pant, marking Pant's 150th test dismissal. Bumrah then took out Nathan McSweeney, caught by Virat Kohli at second slip. And then, the moment that shook the grounds, Nitish Reddy gets Marnus Labuschagne for 12, another catch by Kohli. But oh, the drama doesn't stop there. A star Indian pacer walked off injured. It's still unclear what happened, but it's a massive blow to India. Weather updates, a mixed bag. Day 2 started sunny but turned cloudy with intermittent showers. Team changes added to the spice. India brought in Ravindra Jadeja for Ravichandran Ashwin and Akashdeep for Harshit Rana. Australia replaced Scott Boland with Josh Hazlewood. Day 2 was full of intense moments and strategic plays. Bumrah had a lengthy chat with Rohit Sharma, Gautam Gambhir and Morn Morkel before play started, and there were concerns about Rohit's field placements. At the end of day 2, Australia stands at a precarious position, and the series is tied 1-1. Can India capitalise on their early breakthroughs, or will Australia fight back? Thank you for watching. See you next time with new updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.